Lagi, heart here. Because you got one day, that's why you have pain. Sige na lalan ni Totoy na. Ha? What? Where man ron? Junk foods? Wait lang, wait. Wait, what is that? Tambal! Sige, tambal ta, ha? Saan naman tong tambal? Dali na. Lay down na. Mag-medicine ta. Sige na, lay down. Dali. Here. Here na, baby. Mag-medicine na kami ni baby. Tambal. Medicine. Medicine, breastfeeding is the medicine to a pain stomach of my baby. Hi guys, good afternoon. My babies have a stomach ache. That's why breastfeeding is her medicine. And now she got asleep now. Best medicine. Huh?
Bayon.
What?
Bayon.
Asa?
Bayon.
Bye.
Bayon.
What?
Bayon.
Asa man ron ba yun? Where's the bayon? Asa man? Tudlo daw asa. Asan bayon? Tutoy na.
Bayon.
Bay taog. Milot?
Bayon.
Ha?
Bayon.
Sige, bayon taon niya. Tutoy sa. Iwas tutoy. Magbayon taon niya, ha?
Papa, iman papa.
Wala pa. Work pas papa. Work pa si papa. After papa's work, we go to town, ha? Sige na. Puyog doon. At tinan niya, depression. Going to town, ha? Please guys, support me in my Patreon, guys. Please join my membership and also to my Patreon. Sipon. Tambal sipon. Baby. Oh, luya baby. Ay, tambal na sipon baby di ay. Ha? Bay taon niya ha. Baby ha. Ay, baby na mo lagi. Ay, oh. Hi guys, I have my illness guys. Asa heart? Asa man heart? Kinayayoy na po. No more pain na. No more heart na. Oh, it's okay na my baby. It's okay na my baby love. Hi guys, my baby love is have a pain because she has a stomach pain now. Please guys, pray for my baby's pain. That is hell already. Oh, hi, my baby. Nagbayi mo na siya, guys. Nagbayi siya because she has a stomach ache. Pin tummy, heart tummy. What happened to the kamot, baby? Heart di kamot. Heart po daw. Dirty ang heart. Paidan nagkatay ka kay magkata.